Hi, this is Bruce, the Blind Man Handyman. Thanks for subscribing and hitting the like button and all that kind of stuff. I appreciate it. I want to show you my 6.7 liter Power Stroke injector line socket that I made. Okay, this is it here. So I had to use two sockets. So I welded two sockets together, and see here, it's a 12-point socket. And there's a couple things that you might not see at first glance. As the socket gets deeper inside, for the strength, it changes thickness. So I try to leave as much of that as possible. So I cut it on an angle so that it could slide off my fuel line. So it's a 12-point socket. So it's been welded together. It's kind of crude, but it works. So how this works here, so I had to weld two of them together because one socket wasn't deep enough. Because when you put this on here and then slide it down over, you have to have enough so that it can still turn. Okay, so now I can get a full half turn on this. I used the 12-point socket so that I could have more increments, so it'd get closer. And it's a 26 foot-pounds of torque. Let's find the torque wrench here. So my torque wrench has been set to 26 foot-pounds. I got help with that. And there we go. So we can do 26. Now I tried it to see where it would slip to. I don't want to do it again. And I could go up to about 35. But I think that there a little bit of steel that where I made it thicker in the angle, because well, see this one here, it works fine with this one. You could go higher, but when you're talking about this one over here, you don't have as much room. So you have so I had to make it just enough. See the angle on it there? You can see the angle. See, it just gets in there enough, and you can drop down over it. So you could pull it out at whatever angle you wanted. Not bad for a blind dude. So I made it so I could make a half a turn. I wasn't even sure. If it didn't work, I had more sockets, I could make another one. But it seemed to work fine. So you see, I can make a half turn, pick it up, take it off. And so if a blind man can do this, I'm pretty sure you can. Save yourself $100. Or if you're stuck, instead of waiting for it, build it. I would have videoed it, but I thought I was recording, but it didn't record. Thanks for watching The Blind Man Handyman. You have a lovely day.